How to install WordPress. One of the big benefits that WordPress has promoted for their blogging software right from the day it was released is the so-called 5-minute install. The idea being that anybody can have it installed on their site ready to start posting content in 5 minutes. There is an even faster way to do it, however, that won't take any more than a minute or two. In this article, we're going to look at both options and the pros and cons of each of them. The first option is to download the WordPress software from wordpress.org and upload it to your web server via FTP. This method takes a little bit more work, but gives you more control over how you install it. You can add your own plugins and themes before uploading it to your server, so all you have to do is run the install and activate everything else after the install is complete. If you build a lot of sites, this method can speed up the setup process. You can create a standard install on your computer with all the plugins you want, whatever theme you want, and any other customizations that might be necessary. Then simply upload the entire thing to your server for each new site you build. The other option is to use Fantastico, which is a tool for installing various scripts and pieces of software through cPanel on your web host. With Fantastico, you don't need to worry about using FTP or even running the installation for WordPress. It does it all for you, and all you have to do is provide a few pieces of information about your site. The site's name, the tagline for your site, your admin username and password, and the directory you want to install WordPress inside of if applicable. There are a couple of disadvantages to Fantastico, however. First, they don't always get updates for WordPress configured right away, so when a new version is released, you may not be able to install it through Fantastico for a while. This isn't critical since you can update WordPress from the admin dashboard easily enough, but it's something to remember since running an older version can sometimes open you up to security risks. The other thing about Fantastico is that it only installs the basic WordPress package, so you'll still need to upload and configure your theme and all the necessary plugins to make your website run the way you want.